there should be these 4, right?
Yeah.
So you need a... Nice, so we have all of them out. Yeah. You have the new set?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so this, I don't know what this thing is, so, but it blocks the... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be replacing the ignition coils of I think 2013 Kia Rio. It's not here yet, it's on the way, so we'll maybe let the owner replace it. It's an easy, a few minutes task. So for the time being, let's just get the tools that we need. It's not too much, it's just a socket set. So if you haven't gotten one of these, please check it out. The link is going to be in the description box. Check it out, and it's going to save you. So it has most of the things that you need. It's by EP Auto, and it's like $30. So you got everything there. I think for the ignition coil, for the spark plugs, you have to get some of this extension, which is on a different set. So yeah, this is all you need for that project. Let's wait for him and move on to the project.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Is the hood open? You know, it's so easy. Did you see them replacing the spark plugs? You did?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. So there should be these 4, right?
Yeah.
So you need that socket set. I think it's a 10, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And then, yeah, get this one. Yeah. 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 Perfect. Let me get an extension.
How was your day?
Good, good. How about you?
Good. Just finished work.
What time do you work? What time to... What's your schedule?
I worked 9 to 5 today.
9 to 5?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm 9 to 5. Tuesday, Thursday, it varies.
Okay. Let's disconnect this thing. It's just safer to do it. How much did they quote you for this, for the ignition coils?
I just bought them online.
Okay.
Yeah. It was like $30?
Yeah.
35.
Yeah. So, you get a close, whatever. Yeah, but this thing is too hot. I think we need to take out this, whatever this is, I don't know, and then take this thing off. Nice, so we have all of them out. Yeah, you have the new set?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so this, I don't know what this thing is, so, but it blocks the last coil, so you just need to unplug it. You should be able to unplug this, and then once we install it, then put it back. Are these the new ones? Okay. Have they ever been replaced?
Not since I got this car.
Okay. Let's start with the last one. Another way. And then put this one back. I don't think we forgot anything. Let's make sure.
Yeah. Everything seems to be back.
Yeah. Is this thing fully closing?
I don't think so. Is it aligned with the pieces?
Is there another one? It is here. I think so. Oh. That's missing.
1, 2.
And then 3, 4. Yeah.
Perfect.
We can start it. Hopefully we did the right thing. Oh man, it's too hot.
Now.
Should be okay, I think. Yeah, you can turn it off. Did you buy them off Amazon?
Yeah.
Send me the link.
Okay.
How much were they?
I think after like taxes and stuff, 35.
That's nice.
Yeah, around there. It was a good deal.
And it took us what, maybe 20 minutes? Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You get an AutoZone or something, and they charge you $60 for that.
And then yeah. I don't know if they do it for. Would they do it for you? I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, they only do the
just
battery,
give
I
you-
think.
Yeah, they do the battery.
That's the only thing.
And they'll check your check engine light.
That's
and
yeah.
That's it.
Hoping you'll end up buying something
Yeah.
from them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's one of the easiest things you can do on your own. So yeah, that was so easy. It took us about 10-15 minutes. So that's something you can do for only what, $34? I think most of the cars it's gonna be the same process. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. See you on the next one. Ciao guys.